Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Raymond, a major player in India textile and the lifestyle market, saw its share jump 7% to rupees 3144.90 during the Friday trading session. This rise occurred in a generally weak market following the company announcement to demerge its real estate division. This strategic move is aimed at unlocking shareholders' value and tapping into the growth potential of the Indian property market. Stock performed and market responses. The company share reached a record high of rupees 3151.75 on July 1. Since then, they have significantly rebounded by 66% from the previous month low of 1890 observed on June 4. At 9:30 a.m. on the day of announcement, Raymond was trading 3% higher at 3041, outperforming the BSE Sensex, which declined by 0.68%. Details of the demerger plan. In a detailed regulatory filing, Raymond outlined the vertical demerger of its real estate business into a wholly owned subsidiary, Raymond Realty RRL. Following all necessary approvals, Raymond and RRL will function as separate listed entities under the broader Raymond Group. According to proposed scheme, each shareholder of the Raymond will receive one share of RRL for every share they hold in Raymond. Raymond Business Diversification. Raymond is well known for its textile, lifestyle, and branded apparel. The company operates extensively both locally and internationally, distributing its products through the various channels, including wholesale, franchisee, and retail. In addition to textile, Raymond is now entering the real estate development sector. Moreover, with the recent acquisition of Money Precision Products Limited, Raymond is expanding into the aerospace, defense, and electric vehicle component sector, marking its entry into the high growth industries. For such news, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.